Hello, my ogbonge people. Today topic na about Alafia of Ife. Alafia. My people, no say that one I be Oba. The man dey 82 years. So he don marry 7 wives. The 8th wife, now the younger one now. Now he come cry, come out now, say that they threaten his life. Say she don't run now, that they look for her since. They never see her now. Say her life they threaten. Say she they fear now. Now it make she run and they look for her since. They not gree see her. Nobody know where he did now. They say because according to her, they say she they fear, say her life they danger. You know? So they come the surprise. Wetin go make her run comot for house? Wetin dey happen? Not know you see, and now they can't even find out now. Say that they suspect her. Say she dey go the jogodo, get one musician like that. You know. So the now people come they say, wetin go make this kind girl now go? You marry big man, the man get money there, money full everywhere. Yakpata. Wetin go come make you do that kind of thing now? So my dear people, una dey forget the man age. Una dey forget say that man na 82 years. What una expect? What una expect for all those kind girls and now their way they can never stay one place. Una understand? They no go stay and so they go dey waka up and down. They want go the jogodo different men. Not be because of this one now wey they don hear. The rest wives now their own never still come out too. Who know what they pass through? Because that man now is 82 years. What did that man want to do again? You know, if you go do like that again, you know, if you give them the way they turn it down, you know, if you give them like all those touch your toe and like this, or the one can they do, you know, if you do one, you understand? So, una the same matter. So the girl now say her life they danger now. She dey run, they go because she know what she do. She know what she do. I make she dey run now. So if they tell una say one I marry young girl, una go dey look money. Una like the one where our sister Regina enter now. Tomorrow now, so now I will say yeah now say matter don't change. All of una go hey that they say we fit talk am. We fit talk am. So it go be una go hear one day. Una say she not go dey pass through stress, pass through all those kinds of stressors. But she go dey shame to talk am. Small girl will go put herself for all those kinds of because money. Not because of money. Now, this one don't run now. Say, her life dey danger. What do you be expect? Because who marry all those kind of men not supposed to even go outside again. You not supposed waka waka. Una they understand. You not supposed waka waka. Una they hear matter. Who marry them not supposed waka waka again. I be waiting all those kind of things. So what do I be expect? What do I expect? No. She now the road they go now say her life dey danger now. She don't bag her. Because she know say if they catch her, na problem. Big problem. Say if they fear not to come house. Where she even there now nobody even know. The younger wife, the small one. She fine small girl. First small girl to 20-something years. All because of money, he don't go marry. Marry finish now. He want go to jogodo for her side. That kind of thing, It's not good. It's not good for we women. Maybe they do all those kind of things. Because you don't marry. Even though now 100 years, why you first go at the first time? Why you first even go at all? What it make you first agree? Say you go marry the man. Because you don't say money there. Now what they always tell you now be this one. Marry for love. Not they marry because you want marry. Because you want belong. Not they marry because of that one again. When they see matter, so my people. When they hear matter. The thing now don't go viral. Now it don't go all the social media. Say the last wife now they look for her. They don't see her. They look for her for everywhere now. They don't see her. He say her life they danger. She dey fear now to come house. She dey fear not to even go meet her own people. They don't even know where she dey. She don't bag her. Because all her secrets don't leak come out. Eh? If they say more marry young girl, I will say no. When they look money. When they look money. If I don't enter one chance now, when I will begin they run, they go. When I will begin they pick race, they go. And don't even marry all those kind palace people. They not they go outside again. It not they possible. No matter how you go scratch you rich. You don't go there, you don't go there. You can imagine the old man when small girl go put herself. They carry old man this they put for body. Now you don't they run now say your life they danger now. What do you be expect, my dear? What do you expect? So my darling ogbonge people, the matter where they grant I be this one so now the matter where just they grant so. What do you not think, my people? What do you not think say this girl they run for? What do you not think say the make her they run, they go now where they look for her, where they don't see her so? What do you not think? Because so many so matter go come they come out now. So many things which they see for that house now go come they come out. Because you know if you expect this kind of old man now, may the jogo do you the way you take it and begin. That one not go be possible. That one not go be possible. So what do you not think say now they make this girl they run, they go now? What do you not think, my people? Eh? Now the matter, the ogbonge matter, now just be this one so. The thing just like the thing shockalize me like seriously. Say what you come make this girl they run this kind of race now? What you come make her now? They run, they go. Say because her life they danger. She they fear now. She they fear to come house. Because she already know say she don't go put her leg for her side. Out of which she not supposed to do that kind of thing. So what you una think now, my people? Una think say if they see this girl, they want me and be waiting. Because me I no understand what they make her they run, they go now. Una think say they want me around or they want do something which they run, they go. So now the why I able to talk for this? Una way they want go put on herself for all those kind of situations. All those kind of married, all those kind of men who say they get 7 wives. Like the one way Regina just to go put herself. Eh? Now go enter finish. Now come to look for her. I want to go to jogo those small boys for outside there. God go ask for now really. You go ask for now because nobody force for now to go there. Now the money now they see. Now can't go there finish. Now can't begin the regret. So my ogbonge people now the matter where they grab be this one. I be more na shook mouth for this thing now. As they look for this girl now for everywhere now. What do you not think? When I think say they want me around, I mean that they look for her or they want to do something, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye.